Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I am transforming this downtown Toronto patio into a beautiful boho oasis. We're talking light pinks, rattan, grays, just neutrals, but beautiful neutrals. I want to give a huge shout out to Audible for making this episode happen today. I have been using them a lot in quarantine, listening to so many audiobooks, so I have an awesome discount code for you later on in the video. But for now, let's get started. So this patio belongs to my very good friend, Amanda. She also works on Team AG. That's my team. And she asked me to make over this patio because it was looking a little sad and dreary. This is such a beautiful spot that it deserves a major glow up. I mean, just take a look at the view. Those of you who are not from Toronto, please bask in the CN Tower. First thing I'm gonna do is clear off all this patio furniture. I think Amanda and her roommate Alex are going to sell it.
Look who I found. It's not Lottie, it's Alaska. Hi, Alaska. Hi.
Next up, Alana is just spray painting this farmhouse style light. This is gonna go right above the door. This came in a silver finish. We used a white primer and then an off cream spray paint. And you guys, look at how good this light looks. Like, what a simple change, but already so much better.
Looks so great. This was the old one, like how sad.
Next up, we're adding this really large IKEA rug right in the middle of the patio. It's gonna anchor the whole space, and we're gonna do a really fun DIY. That was a good rollout. Rugs out, sun's out, buns out. Okay, we're gonna start DIYing this rug. Guys, I can't see anything, it's so bright. To jazz up your outdoor rug, you'll need a cute stencil, some painter's tape. You'll also need some spray paint. We're using a chalked spray paint in cream. And the last thing you'll need is some kind of drop cloth or plastic sheet to protect the surrounding area of your stencil. The first thing you'll want to do is take your stencil, place it where you want on your rug, and then you want to secure it down on the rug with painter's tape. And you want to take your drop cloth, put it around the side of the stencil. You want to shake your spray paint, shake it, then you want to give it a good spray. Let it dry. For a minute there, I thought it didn't work, but it totally does. They look like little flowers. How cute! So this is gonna take a while, but basically you just wanna repeat the whole process. You could measure the distance between each stencil, but I think it's just gonna look good if we just kind of have fun with it and place them wherever. So I'm just gonna continue this process and cover the whole rug in these cute little flowers. This is such a fun and easy DIY if you have an outdoor rug that's just a bit plain looking. It's like a subtle way to jazz it up. But to seal everything, I'm using a heavy duty water shield protectant spray. So you can use this on outdoor cushions, on basically anything outdoors. Just makes it water repellent so that if it rains, the rug isn't gonna get ruined. Even if you have outdoor cushions and you want a little bit of extra protection, use this, not sponsored, just a cool product. So I'm just gonna spray this all over the rug. It's gonna lock the spray paint in and just make sure that it's water resistant and repellent.
Quick break from this makeover, which is coming together so nicely, to talk about this week's sponsor, Audible. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are audiobook listeners like I am, but during quarantine and during this whole weird past 3 or 4 months, I have been finding audiobooks such a calming way to wind down, but also to listen to when I'm doing DIY projects like this makeover. I find that it feels like I'm accomplishing 2 things at once, and I'm such an avid reader, but because I'm always so busy, listening to an audiobook as I'm working or even just as I'm relaxing and like on social media has just been such an awesome way for me to feel calm and relaxed, which is why I'm so excited to be partnering with Audible. Audible has just launched stories.audible.com, where anyone, anywhere can stream hundreds of titles completely free without being an Audible member, and they're all organized into different categories. There's some for children, tweens, and audiobooks in different languages. I have been listening to Spilled Milk by K.L. Randis about a girl who testifies in a criminal case against her father. It sounds like a very heavy book, which it is, but I have been loving memoirs recently, and just listening to this story and her writing has been just amazing. So I've been relaxing on the couch, scrolling through social media, listening to this audiobook, and it's just been a great way to pass the time. I downloaded this book for free because I signed up for Audible's free trial, which is amazing. If you go to www.audible.com/Alexandra Gater or text Alexandra Gater to 500-500, you can get one free audiobook, unlimited Audible originals, and a free 30-day trial. So use my code, use my link, sign up for that 30-day trial, download your free audiobook. You will not be disappointed. And it's just such a different way to pass the time instead of having a physical book, and it allows you to multitask, which I am all for. Thank you again to Audible. Let's get back into the makeover.
Rug is done. So now it is time to bring out the furniture. So excited. Huge thank you to Article for hooking Amanda and Alex up with some sweet outdoor furniture. So many people have asked me this summer for good furniture recommendations. One of my top favorite retailers for outdoor furniture is Article for a few reasons. One, because it's so durable. Two, because it's so comfortable. It feels like living room furniture outside. 3, because my patio is decked out in Article furniture. It's lasted a winter. It looks brand new. I do store the cushions in a shed. I did cover it with the Article covers as well. And the best part is that Article also offers in-home assembly. Their assembly teams are always so lovely. They got the job done in like 20 minutes, obviously depending on what your furniture is. But if you are still looking for outdoor furniture, go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below. Just wait till you guys see this stuff. It's so good. So good. This couch doesn't come with cushions. It's supposed to be like this. It is so comfortable, like deceivingly comfortable, but I've added a couple cute decorative cushions. Love it. Okay, a few more pieces of furniture. Let's bring them out. It's the perfect size. Wow, we love these chairs. This chair is like my decor mood. Just all in one chair. That was not very eloquent, but that's how excited I am. Guys, this chair is actually extremely comfortable. It's like a lounger, you can suntan. Actually, Carla, could you get me a lemonade? Okay, that's a no. Now I'm just gonna add a side table right here, maybe put a plant on it. It's coming together, friends. It's definitely a vibe. It's a vibe.
I'm a cool mom.
And now I'm bringing in this bar cart. Alex and Amanda love to entertain. I mean, they're not doing that so much this summer, but for future summers, it will be really great to have. This is also from Article, amazing quality. I always find with a piece like this as well, because it looks like it could belong indoors, they can totally bring this into their living room in the winter and have it set up there. I need a pot for the mint, so Alana's gonna go run out and grab one from a decor store nearby. But I thought mint or any other herb would be just like a nice touch so that guests can just take some off and put it in their drink. Amanda right now has these really cute string lights strung across the fence. I am actually going to try and string them above the patio and then replace these with these cute white and gold lights. I got these a couple years ago at Target. I will see if there's something similar available, link down below. But I've been waiting to use these somewhere, and this is the perfect space to use them. So I'm just gonna restring these. Also, because I know you guys are gonna ask, they actually feed an extension cord through her bedroom window when they're having parties, and the lights plug in through her window, which is awesome. So we're gonna do that after. So in the evening, it'll be all glowy and nice. But for now, let's get these strung up. So no one hits their head. I'm actually stringing these on this side of the patio instead of above. I think this will just look nice, and it'll help define the patio a bit since there's that open space to their next door neighbors. So we just wanna kind of close that off. So cute. I love this planter. This was here when we got here, but there's a couple plants that are kind of dying. So I'm gonna replace it with some tall grasses to add to that like desert boho feel. So let's do it. Bye. Oh yeah. Wow, that was satisfying. So I moved the barbecue over into this corner where it was to begin with, but I'm feeling that it's looking a little bulky. Just doesn't look right there. So I'm thinking of swapping the bar cart where the barbecue is and the barbecue where the bar cart is. After 20 minutes of shuffling everything around, I finally realized that it wasn't working because it wasn't on an angle. This is the answer. People can still walk in and out of the door nicely, and then the bar cart suddenly becomes like the center of the conversation area, and the barbecue is tucked away in the corner. Perfect. So we're almost done. It's just time for those finishing touches. My fave part. These IKEA cushions are perfect for extra floor seating. Okay, we're done the makeover. It's time to reveal the patio to Amanda. I say this every time, but I think this might be my new favorite makeover we've done. It's just a boho, pretty dream. It's gonna be a socially distanced reveal, so let's bring in Amanda. Okay, Amanda, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, I'm not looking. I'm so nervous
How
to
do
be
you
on
feel?
this side.
Yeah, you're nervous?
Yeah, I'm very
Well,
nervous.
because you're usually used to being on this side of the camera. Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! It's so nice!
You like it?
Alexandra! It's like such a cool vibe. I feel like it's like, oh yeah, like this is my patio.
It is, right? It's cool, it's sophisticated. So we got you a new bar.
Love it. I'm ready to have a social distance gathering. Oh, there's lights across the whole thing. I love that.
And the new light behind you.
Oh my god. We haven't had a working light out here in like so long. I love this. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're
This is
welcome.
so amazing.
I'm so happy that I got to do this for you.
It means so much to me. I love it. Thank you so much.
I am thrilled with how this makeover turned out. I am so happy with Amanda's reaction. This is probably one of my most favorite makeovers to date. I told my mom that and she laughed. She's like, you always say that. I'm like, yeah, I know. I don't know. I'm just so happy with how it turned out. I love all the furniture. Thank you so much to Article for donating all of that incredible outdoor furniture. And thank you to Audible for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys click the link in my description box, use my code, get your free audiobook, get a free 30-day trial, and let me know in the comments down below what you're listening to. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!